Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya once again. So first of all, we would like to thank each and everyone out there for all your feedbacks and suggestions. So today, we are back with yet another video on OET Writing. So generally, the letters in OET Writing starts with a date. And if we look at the case note, we'll be able to find multiple dates as well. And there's a chance we may get confused with these dates. So today, we are going to discuss how to choose letterhead dates. So the very first option that we have right in front of our eyes is today's date. If something called today's date is mentioned in the case note, please go with that option. If that option is not available, the second option is discharge date. We can start the letter by mentioning the discharge date. And what if the discharge date is not available and we are having multiple visits instead of that? Then you can start your letter by mentioning the date of the last visit. And another option that we have in front of us is the date of admission. If we don't have any other options, then we can start the letter by mentioning the date of admission. In some case note, along with the date of admission, they will be mentioning that the patient will be discharged after a couple of days, for example, 5 to 7 days. So in that context, in order to get the discharge date, what we can do is add this 5 or 7 with the admission date, and we'll be able to come up with the discharge date, and we can start the letter by mentioning that discharge date. And finally, if all the above mentioned options of dates are not available for us, we can choose the date of our examination as the letterhead date. I hope it's a useful video for you people. Thank you. Once again, it's Aishwarya from Tiju'S Academy.